Morning, afternoon, and night. It's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Brought to you by Southern Home Structural Specialists. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
And a good Tuesday evening to you, Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum here. We are talking about that heat coming back into play for tomorrow. It's going to be very hot and humid out there. High temperatures, middle 90s. Some of you, the upper 90s, and the heat index, 105, 108, maybe some of you up to 110 tomorrow. So get ready for that and to find ways to stay cool and hydrated. If you have to work outdoors, I know many of you do, just keep in mind that you need to take those frequent breaks and get plenty of water and that Gatorade type stuff because we need those to keep you hydrated. We're also watching Invest 93 in the tropics working its way across the northern Gulf. That'll bring some coastal heavy rain the next few days, and we'll see some downpours here a little later on this week. So small chance of rain tomorrow. Really, it's Thursday, Friday, Saturday for the better chance for some rain. So weather wear tomorrow for that dangerous heat, so keep that in mind out there. Again, a heat advisory in effect from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Wednesday. You can see where it stretches there from Coleman, Birmingham, Alabaster, points to the west. Eastern areas going to see a little more cloud cover, a little higher humidity, and temperatures won't be quite as high, so the heat index won't get quite as high either. So high temperatures, middle 90s to upper 90s, maybe 94 here, Asheville, Talladega, 96, Alabaster, Jasper. How about Tuscaloosa, 99? But you factor in that humidity, you could feel like 111 there to Fayette, 110 in Hamilton, 106, 108 Birmingham, Alabaster. So we do need to be prepared for that heat. As for, again, our Invest, you can see it is working its way here over Florida now. Potentially could take a northerly track here, and if it does, likely development would be very low. If it would take more of a southerly track here and still curving into Louisiana as we get into Friday, that would allow us to potentially deal with maybe a developing tropical depression or even tropical storm Dexter. So we'll have to watch for that either way. But it will be in the Gulf by tonight. And again, the northerly track will be a little weaker, southerly track stronger because it's over the water a little bit longer, but still be battling some of that wind shear. So Futurecast will show again as it works its way through. You can see the circulation spinning here south of Alabama tomorrow. Not a ton of rain expected Wednesday. Once it moves into Louisiana on Wednesday night, Thursday time frame, we start to see more southerly winds, giving us a little better chance for rain on Thursday, and that'll continue as we head into the Friday time frame as well as into Saturday as that remnant low kind of work its way up there toward Little Rock. So we will see some wetter weather from this even into Sunday. You'll still see some scattering of showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder out there as well. Chance of rain tomorrow at 20%, 40% Thursday, 60% Friday and Saturday. So that's when we'll see the bulk of those downpours coming across our area. Another vantage point of Futurecast shows again this evening a low chance for maybe a shower. Again, remember that higher humidity I talked about in Georgia? Well, that's kind of giving that chance of rain up near Anniston this overnight tonight. Tomorrow, mostly clear, but then a few showers and storms by maybe lunchtime into the afternoon. Again, not a ton of rain on our Wednesday. As we head into Wednesday night into Thursday, we are going to start to see again the humidity going higher and a little more coverage of rain expected Thursday afternoon into the evening hours, but still not a ton of rain yet by that point. So looking at the beach forecast, not great at all. Rip current risk moderate to high. Do not go in the water the next couple of days if you happen to going there. Lots of rain expected out there each day with highs in the upper 80s to around 90 degrees. Your Storm Team 7-day forecast shows again the heat index pretty high for tomorrow, and then as we get into the next few days, that chance of rain going up, as well as those temperatures briefly drop by Friday, but going back to the middle 90s by next Tuesday. And that's a look at your weather around the clock.